Hi everyone, welcome. It's Judy here, and tonight we're going to talk about the replacement plugin for Jetpack. Jetpack, sorry. So, as you know, Jetpack's been creating a lot of problems, and I've persevered because there hasn't been a replacement that has been suitable, and mainly we use Jetpack to make our websites mobile friendly. These days in 2018, it's not enough to just have a responsive theme um, as your website. You have to have a bit more than that. So let's move on. And the first thing you have to do, of course, is get into the back end of one of your sites, and then you'll need your plugins page open. And for those of you that still have Jetpack installed, you just need to deactivate it and delete it. And once you have done that, then you just go up to Add New, and we type into the directory for search plugins AMP. Just AMP. Now there's two different types of plugins for AMP, and they both achieve the same thing. I have tried them both and am still trialing them. So I've got both, one some on with one and some with the other one. So we're going to just flag them for a month or so and see how they progress. But once you type in AMP and enter the search, these two plugins come up. Now, of course, Google is pushing a Google version of AMP, which you'll see here in a second, and then there's the WordPress version. So for this exercise, here they are here. So this is the Google one, and this is WordPress one. So we're going to use the WordPress one at the moment. It's a lot easier to use. So you just click on Install, and then you click on Activate. Then once it's activated, it creates its own little area in the black column on the left hand side, which is what most of them do currently. So once that clicks over, we then go over here to the left hand side, and that is where the AMP now is, and you just go into the general section of AMP. And pretty much once you've done that, all you need to do is click on all the different boxes. So we want all our pictures, all our posting, all our groups, pages, we want them all to show up as necessary on a mobile phone. And then we just click Save. Fantastic. Now that we've done that, there's only one other thing you need to do. You go over to your pages and you just get up your main content pages, and you can have them in different tabs all the way along here. For this, I've just got one up here, and as you will see, you will notice, we will just scroll down the page. I might just do an update so that it picks up the AMP because I had this open prior to putting in the plugin. So we'll just update it. The internet's been rather slow this evening. There we go. So once it's been updated, the page, or if you're coming onto your page after you've put in the plugin, you'll see this little area here where it says AMP. It's either going to be enabled or disabled. Make sure that it's enabled. We've already updated, so that's fantastic. And just go along to all of your different pages and enable AMP on all your different pages. Okay, so that's it for me on this little video, and there'll be another one coming out real soon regarding iCopyright. Okay, thank you very much for listening. Bye for now.